What we're doing here, guys, we are tying a very simple nymph, and the reason I'm tying this nymph, I'm going to show you a little technique I use that takes away the bead head and the weight of the nymph to get a nymph down deep. And what we're using a little bit of plastic. So we start off with putting a size 12 nymph hook. I just heat it up a wee bit and just punch it through my little wedge like so. There. So what we do for a start is just we tie on your cotton, bring it up as far forward as you can to wedge the actual wedge in there. Couple loops to tie that in. Just take that back. Same thing again, a couple wraps, pull it back. Now for a bit of wax stubbing, just line your cotton there. Just make sure you use little bits when you're putting this on for a start. You just slowly wind it up. I like getting about 2/3 of the way up. Bring your copper wire back. And just wrap it around. This just really helps to hold the dubbing in there. Pull it up tight. Nice drop of some cement on the front just to hold everything in place. So that's pretty much the finished product. Very simple to tie and very effective because of the wedge.